Okay, show you this is rear brake. Brake light comes on, and then the front brake is here. It's on. We can turn our headlight on. Turn our tail light on. Now the headlight will not come on until it's running. That's the way these were designed. So let's fire this up. Try not to make too much mess of this video while I start it. High beam indicator there. There's high beam, there's low beam there. Headlight working right there. See that I put about 20 miles on this. There's a little bit of oil on the sprocket here from the chain, and a little bit here. So I took it out on a pretty good ride just to get those rings to the seat and to make sure everything was good on it. There you go.